Let's try it this way.
Yeah.
This is called A Nameless Fear. Come on, body, don't fail me. I got a fear I can't name, but it's tailing me. Throw me a bone, logic brain. That is a drought and I'm drying out. Bring the rain. If I have to, I'll cry about it. Just don't lie to me. Denial's not a state I aspire to reach. I'll breach birth this epiphany, feet first. Just let it come to me. I don't want to be looking for the forest if the trees are right in front of me. I need an insight. I'm not looking behind me, but I'll look inside. Just try me. I know the truth hurts, so bring the pain. I'll be kicking at this thought block until I get an ankle sprain, until I bust my knuckles, until my back breaks and my knees buckle. Diamonds that never felt the crush are just straight coal. Forest fires clear the underbrush so something else can grow, and I could use another inch, I know it. So tie me to the rack. I won't flinch, I'll roll with it. I'll lean into the stretch. Maybe if I lean into the wind, I'll cool this hot mess, till I'm a lava rock obelisk. And maybe from the top of this, I'll see things from a different angle. Find a pattern in the bramble and the thorn briar. Shake off the panic scramble and pull out the barbed wire. And if I hit a snag, hit the ground and break my legs, I'll walk it off and try again. Because the answer's on the other side and someone's gonna let me in. Key or no key, I'll bring a crowbar. I'll take a hammer to my bell jar. And when the path is strewn with glass, I won't even grab my flip-flops. I'll just stop, drop, and roll against the rough edges till I hear a pop. Because I need my bubble burst. I'm sick of standstills, sand traps, and fire drills. This limbo is the worst. Let the lesson in already. I'm ready to learn. I got my textbook. I'll read the whole thing. I'll take a night class. I'll take the bait like I'm a sea bass, because I'm lost at sea here. So sit me down and say, now see here. Turn the fog machine off and give me the all clear, because I've been stuck in first gear going on 5 years. I think I'm ready for the freeway. I'm stronger than I used to be. I think I'm ready for the free weights. Come on, left brain, download an update, because I need an upgrade. And then a save state. I've made some progress, so don't you lose my place. Just give me straight facts. I'm sick of twisting in the third act. I need a resolution. I need all the polygons you got. I want the high def, no substitutions. Come on, body, don't fail me. I got a fear I can't name, and it's still tailing me. So give me a weapon slot, and then something I can swing with. This might be a boss fight, but I'm playing to win this. Given enough context, anxiety gets less complex, and then I can tame it. I just need to know enough to name it.